It was actually very overwhelming for me to see the students uh, in all the. I think I went to 4 workshops or 5 workshops, and the way they were working. I mean, practically doing exercises. I mean, that was really exciting for me to see because uh, that really means that they're in touch with the reality of doing animation and what all the steps and the process involving animation. It's great to see that, very encouraging. And yeah, some of the people who were conducting the workshops are known to me, and they're really good, in their expertise, and they were really inspiring for the students. I was watching it live, and I think you guys are doing a really good job, conducting these sort of workshops. I know it takes a lot of pain to organize such events and involve and indulge everyone, and bring in industry experts from their busy schedules to talk to the students and conduct workshops for them. People think that animation. I mean, people have mixed notions about animation. But from the time I've been in this industry since '97, I've seen a tremendous amount of change and awareness about animation, and the industry is like really growing. And the potential is that if you have the 1 billion population of India watching animation, then you need to make a lot of programs for entertaining them. You need to have a lot of animators and animation filmmakers in this country to cater to that demand. It's slowly happening. It's slowly but steadily progressing. The awareness and the interest for animated content. So what I'm hoping is that tomorrow will be a scenario where there will be so much demand for animation content, and today the way all of you are preparing the students to come up to a level and get into the field. It's evolving, as even though we have been in the industry for a long time, but we are also learning and we are also evolving, because it's a new medium for all of us, no, in this country. It's not like the West, where it's been there for like last 60 years or so. So it will take its own time, but it's definitely going to be a bright future for the entertainment media with animation as a. And we are producing timeless content. That's a big asset about a big. I don't know, many people would know about it. Animation content is timeless. Look at Tom and Jerry; it's 70 years old, and it still entertains people. So whatever, it's here to stay. Institutes like you should be inspiring the kids to, okay, they let them work on animation, but then give them the confidence to do whatever they want to. If they want to become writers, let them become writers. If some of them want to become music directors, let them become music directors. But as long as they know the medium, what the courses here should do is to make them aware of the medium and very eloquent with it. So and give them that boost of confidence that when they go out, they can do anything and be successful. That's what this is the good thing about animation. What we enjoy making animation films, because it doesn't feel like a job. It feels like we are doing our hobby. And we're getting paid for it. One thing I would like to tell the parents is that this is not art. This is applied art in a sort of way. There is art involved in it, but it's as good as engineering, because you're applying your knowledge and you're creating content and applications to benefit a larger crowd. So it's not like an art which a painter makes and waits for a buyer to come and evaluate it. There is nothing like that. This is an industry that is growing. An industry means there is money coming in to sustain, and there are deliverables going out of the industry to keep the interest. So it's a clear-cut demand supply chain. It's not like art. I don't think that probably is a big confusion with the parents, that he's मेरा better artist बन जाएगा और कुछ काम के will he be unemployed? So it requires that kind of demystification, that this is not an art per se. You need to also sensitize the parents that Like if you are a doctor today, if you do a mere MBBS, you are not going to get a job. You are not going to make money. You have to be you have to get a super specialization. You have to keep getting super specializations and by the time you are an established doctor, it's going to take you 10 years. You don't have a complaint about that. You should be having the similar amount of patience for an animation student also to become an established animator.